Hey everyone, I am Ganesh from CSC Data Science from Severe College of Engineering. I have recently attended a 4 day workshop on data analytics, which is done by IBM SkillsBit in partnership with ICT Academy. In this, I have learned data analytics from scratch, that is from Python basics, covering Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Cbound, Matplotlib, etc. This workshop helped me in gaining skills in how to how to think as a data analyst in the corporate life. And then when coming to the teaching side, Venu Prakash is our tutor. He is very engaging, and he is very always ready to take doubts from the students. And he never allowed any student to go to the next topic without being the doubt being resolved. So I suggest that this workshop needs to be introduced to second year students as well as third year students so that they can dive deep into the topic as they have so much time. So I truly appreciate this initiative taken by ICT Academy and IBM Skills Thank you.